Last year, nearly 3 million pickup trucks were sold in the US, an 11% jump from the previous year. They're essential for work, play, and daily life. But with so many options, which ones are worth it? Let's dive into the 5 worst and 4 best pickup trucks to buy in 2025. Let's begin by taking a closer look at the 5 pickup trucks that are considered the worst choices to buy. Number 5. Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tundra has historically been a symbol of reliability, but the 2025 model leaves a lot to be desired. One of the most significant complaints from owner centers around the new 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. While it's more fuel-efficient on paper than the outgoing V8, it suffers from noticeable turbo lag, rough shifting, and a lack of towing confidence. This is especially disappointing for a truck that's often chosen for heavy-duty work. The 10-speed automatic transmission, meant to boost fuel economy, instead delivers jerky shifts and unrefined performance when towing. Toyota's decision to overhaul the infotainment system with a 14-inch touchscreen also falls flat. Many users report lag, glitches, and an overall frustrating user experience. The new rear coil spring suspension aims for comfort, but ends up feeling unstable and bouncy, particularly on rough terrain. At a starting price above $40,000, the 2025 Tundra feels like a step backward for a once trusted name. Number 4. Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD 2025. Chevy trucks are beloved across America, but the 2025 Silverado 2500 HD isn't living up to the brand's strong reputation. It's designed to handle heavy-duty workloads, but key issues make it a questionable investment. The 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine has faced numerous complaints about fuel system failures, including injectors and high-pressure pump problems. These aren't minor hiccups. Repairs can cost thousands of dollars. The Allison 10-speed transmission also shows its flaws, with hard shifts, delayed engagement, and occasional slipping, which makes towing large loads feel unreliable. The suspension is another issue. While it's built to handle heavy payloads, it offers a punishingly stiff and bouncy ride when the truck is unloaded. Add to that an interior that feels dated, filled with hard plastics and minimal technology, a stark contrast to the refined cabins in competitors like Ford and Ram. For a vehicle priced over $50,000, the 2500 HD doesn't deliver the comfort or reliability expected in 2025. Number 3. Ram 2500 HD 2025. The 2500 HD promises strength and towing power, but it comes with some serious drawbacks. The most alarming is its long-standing transmission issues. The 68 RFE automatic transmission, paired with the 6.7-liter Cummins diesel engine, is known for overheating, gear slipping, and even complete failure. These problems aren't new and have plagued Ram HD trucks for years, with no clear resolution in sight. Rebuilding or replacing the transmission can cost over $6,000, a steep price for a vehicle marketed to hard-working professionals. Ride quality is another downside. The Ram 2500 HD still uses rear leaf springs, making it stiff and uncomfortable unless it's fully loaded. If you drive it without a trailer or heavy bed cargo, expect one of the bumpiest rides in its class. Fuel economy also lags behind. The 6.4-liter Hemi 5.8 is powerful, but incredibly thirsty, often returning under 12 miles per gallon in real-world driving. High costs and poor reliability make this truck hard to recommend. Number 2. Nissan Titan 2025. The Nissan Titan continues to struggle in a highly competitive market, and the 2025 model may be its final nail in the coffin. Despite a strong 5.6-liter V8 engine producing 400 horsepower, it still feels outdated in nearly every aspect. One major issue is its lack of innovation. While competitors are pushing boundaries with hybrid options, advanced tech, and luxurious interiors, the Titan offers very little that feels new or refined. The interior remains basic and uninspiring, with cheap-feeling materials and a small, clunky infotainment system that lacks modern features like wireless Apple CarPlay or advanced towing aids. Another concern is resale value. Titans depreciate much faster than competitors, making it a poor, long-term investment. Towing capacity and payload are also below average for the class, meaning it doesn't even hold up in terms of raw utility. With rumors swirling that Nissan might discontinue the Titan entirely, It's hard to justify buying into what looks like a dead-end platform in 2025. Number 1. Jeep Gladiator. At first glance, the Jeep Gladiator looks like a clever blend of off-road toughness and truck utility, a Wrangler with a pickup bed. But in reality, it underdelivers on both fronts. Built on the Wrangler platform, it features a solid front axle, which helps in rock crawling, but results in a rough, unstable ride on highways. Wind, noise, and poor handling are constant complaints when it comes to truck duties like towing and hauling. The Gladiator disappoints. Its maximum towing capacity is just 7,700 pounds, far behind competitors like the Ford Ranger and Chevy Colorado, both of which tow over 9,000 pounds. Payload capacity is also subpar. Add to that a long list of reliability concerns, electrical failures, transmission problems, and weak axles, and it becomes clear why this truck lands at the bottom. Its outdated 3.6-liter V6 offers unimpressive power and fuel economy, making it a poor choice overall. Now let's highlight the 4 best pickup trucks you should consider buying in 2025. Number 4. Hyundai Santa Cruz. When you think of pickup trucks, Hyundai might not come to mind, but the 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz breaks the mold. This compact pickup is perfect for drivers who want truck utility without the bulk of a full-size vehicle. It offers SUV-like comfort while still delivering a functional 4.3-foot truck bed complete with underfloor storage and a lockable tonneau cover. Under the hood, a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine produces 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, more than enough for everyday driving. Despite the power, it's surprisingly efficient, averaging 23 miles per gallon combined, which beats most midsize and full-size trucks. When properly equipped, the Santa Cruz can tow up to 5,000 pounds, comparable to or better than competitors like the Honda Ridgeline. Inside, it feels more like a modern crossover, with a 10.25-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and a suite of advanced safety features. It's a smart choice for urban dwellers or anyone who wants a versatile vehicle that's easy to park, fuel-efficient, and still offers the functionality of a pickup. Number 3. Rivian R1T. If you're looking for innovation, performance, and eco-conscious driving, the 2025 Rivian R1T is in a class of its own. This all-electric pickup truck features 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, delivering a staggering 835 horsepower and 908 pound-feet of torque. That allows it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, outpacing even most sports cars. The R1T isn't just about speed, it's also a workhorse. It can tow up to 11,000 pounds and handles off-road terrain with precision thanks to its torque vectoring and adjustable air suspension. With multiple battery options, the top-tier pack delivers over 400 miles per charge. Fast charging capability means you can add 140 miles of range in only 20 minutes. Inside, it's pure luxury, featuring a premium interior with sustainably sourced materials, a large digital touchscreen, and over-the-air software updates. For anyone wanting a cutting-edge truck that blends performance, off-road capability, and environmental responsibility, the Rivian R1T is one of the best buys of 2025. Number 2. Ford Maverick. The 2025 Ford Maverick proves you don't need a massive truck to get serious value. This compact pickup starts under $25,000 and offers impressive fuel economy, practicality, and features. It's the only pickup in its class to come standard with a full hybrid engine, delivering around 37 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most fuel-efficient trucks ever made. If you need more power, an optional 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine boosts horsepower to 250 and increases towing capacity to 4,000 pounds. The Maverick may be small, but it's smartly designed. The 4.5-foot bed has Ford's clever FlexBed system with adjustable tie-downs, storage slots, and even a power outlet for tools or tailgating. Inside, the cabin is practical but modern, featuring an 8-inch touchscreen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Ford's Copilot 360 safety suite. The Maverick is ideal for city dwellers, first-time truck buyers, or anyone who wants the utility of a truck without sacrificing efficiency or budget. It's affordable, capable, and easy to live with. Number 1. GMC Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra brings luxury and rugged performance together in one powerful package. Think of it as the premium cousin of the Chevy Silverado, offering the same capabilities but with added style, comfort, and advanced features. Under the hood, it offers everything from a 2.7-liter turbo engine to a monstrous 6.2-liter V8 and a fuel-efficient Duramax diesel with up to 13,200 pounds of towing capacity. It's ready for serious work, but where the Sierra really shines is its upscale interior, especially in trims like the Denali or Denali Ultimate, which include real wood accents, leather upholstery, a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. It also features the unique Multi-Pro tailgate with 6 different functions, perfect for work or play. Add in Super Cruise, GMC's hands-free driving technology on compatible highways, and you've got a truck that's as smart as it is strong. If you want power and luxury in one truck, the Sierra 1500 is hard to beat.